Chegwood, and I'm the small bore engine shop manager at the Park City Rebuild Center. I manage a group of guys who build engines for natural gas compression and also for machine engines. This particular gentleman are working a third shift right now because a customer came to us and needed engines quickly turned around so they could swing a bunch of engines. This customer had 8 engines to build, and we needed to turn 1 engine per week for the customer. So that means picking up the engine, delivering the engine, and also in the process of that week's time, building the engine, dynoing it, painting it, and getting back to them. We have turned an engine as quick as 36 hours for a customer. So that means it was delivered on a Tuesday afternoon, torn down by Wednesday morning. Machine shop did all their process, and then the next night, these gentlemen put the engine back together, and then it was on a dyno cart the next day, dynoed, and then painted, and then ready to go back out the next Tuesday morning for the customer. So what happens if you have an engine that needs to be rebuilt? We'll get you in contact with one of our PSRs, and they will put together a quote for you. They will contact me and talk about the engines coming. We'll figure out timelines. We will figure out who is going to build that engine for you. We will talk about the quality, what is your scope of work that you need, and what the process will be like to get the engine picked up from you, delivered to you, and back to you in the appropriate amount of time to be able to have the least amount of downtime for your process.